Till now we have drawn our schematic in hierarchical sheet. Now we have even also performed our electrical rule checks and have removed errors in our schematic. Similarly, we can also assign footprints to our components in our sheet. In the similar way we have already studied. Over here, go to bulk edit field, click on this, and let's just add footprint over here. Click on this and let's choose footprints from the footprint library. Over here you can see you can write over here capacitors. Let's see, we want to choose SMD, and in SMD let's just choose this package 2012. Let's double click it, add over here. Let's add footprint for C402, and I want to choose this one. Double click and add. For LED, I want to choose an SMD LED for this one. LED SMD. Let's choose with the let's choose 1206 package. Let's double click it. Similarly, 1206 package for this one. Double click it, and now it's done for the connectors. Let me choose connector pins with the header with 2.54 mm pin pitch, and let's choose these horizontals. Double click it, and similarly let's add connector to J102. Double click and let's add resistance. Let's add 1206 package for resistance, and it is 1210 1206 hand soldered, and let's just add for this one. Now it's a turn for regulator to add. Let's choose TO packages over here. TO through hole and TO 220, where it is 220, and that is this one, TO 220-3 vertical, and this is the 4 pin. Let's save for the sake of simplicity. Let's just add this one and double click it. Now we have added all our packages over here. Let's click OK, and let's save our work. And now after adding the packages, we can open PCB editor and import all these settings, the footprints from the schematic into our PCB. And let's now click over here, update PCB changes made to schematic. Click over here, we have no errors, no warning, and update PCB and close. You can see that we have all the components that we have assigned in the schematic. So place it over here by clicking it over here. Similarly, you can see this in 3D viewer. So these are all the components we have used in the schematic. So the basic purpose of all this discussion is that we design schematic in a multi-sheet way, where we use multiple sheets, and we can do all the things we have already stated previously, that we can even perform electrical rule checker, we can assign footprints, we can design PCB from this schematic exactly the same way as we have done for a single sheet. So till now what we have learned is that how to design a schematic when there are a large number of components used. Then we divide our schematic in different sections, like there is some power section, like indication sections, like there are some controller sections. You can even if there are sensors in your circuit design, then you can make a sheet where you will wire up all the sensors, will draw the wires of all the sensors. So how large your schematic is, you can easily draw your schematic while using this multi-sheet approach in KiCad.